like a pancake.
It is pancake.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am Beverly and this is my daughter Ariana. And say hello, Ari. And today we're making banana pancake, and this is all the ingredients that we needed. We have flour and baking powder. We're gonna need 1 egg and vanilla extract, and we're gonna need butter and fresh milk and also banana. We're going to need this banana. We're gonna use this kind of banana. You can use any kind of banana, but this time we're trying to use these organic banana we got. And we're only gonna need we're only gonna need 2 ripe ones. Oh. The back. And what we're going to do, I'm going to put it in our bowl, open it up, take the peel up, and go open it up. And we're going to put it in our bowl. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to mush our banana. We're using a potato smasher. This time we're going to use it as a banana smasher. Wait for that. So we're just going to keep smashing this till it's all the way like soft. Till it's already all the way smooth. Like you can see nothing that's still whole in here. And now we're gonna put our milk, this is like 2 tablespoons of milk. And then we're gonna put some of this vanilla extract. We're gonna need half the tablespoon. And then we're going to put, next thing we gotta do is the egg. What we gotta do with the egg, we have to beat the egg. Freshly eggs for Ari. So now that the egg is all the way beat, we already beat the egg. We're gonna mix it in our smashed banana. And then the next thing we're going to mix that wet ingredients on the banana first. So we're going to have to get the squeeze. Give me a second, Ariana. So you want to try that. So now I'm going to put some flour. So this time I only gonna need like about 5 tablespoons of flour, because until we see the good good texture that we want it. This one. 2. You counting for me?
What?
4 and 5. So we're gonna mix it first. So let mommy mix it right quick. Mix it. See? Now we're going to add a little of this baking powder. This is like 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, but we don't need a 1/2 teaspoon. Like we just need like 1/4 of the 1 teaspoon. Keep stirring, hurry. And while my daughter is stirring, I'm going to turn the heat, like fire, on our skillet, on our stove, so that the skillet will like get hot, and then we're going to put some butter on it. Then we'll start frying. Keep stirring, baby. So if you don't have no butter, you can use vegetable oil instead of olive oil, because the olive oil had more stronger smell or stronger ingredients, like taste, like stronger taste to the pancakes. So better to use the vegetable oil or butter. So, you good? You good, my baby? So that's done. You wanna keep stirring it while I get a spoon? Get the spoon. And now I'm gonna put the butter on our skillet. And just let the butter melt. And now we're going to put, excuse me, my baby. We're going to put some pancake mixture, banana pancake mixture on our skillet. Spoon. Just 2. Ooh, this smells so good already. Like the banana smell, the banana extract, like mix. So you can see it's like easily moving. So if you see it, it's already like brown looking on the other side, and of course it's time to turn, and that's how it's gonna look. Next one, and we're just going brown, flip it and brown it for at least like another 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes. I mean a minute, 1 minute. So not yet. Still young, still at least had to brown it. So next, we're going to put it on a plate. And we're going to do some work. Pancakes are ready, and key is already on the table. So let me try. And which one you want? You want maple syrup or the pancake syrup?
The syrup. The syrup.
All right.
It looks like bread. It smells like bread, Dad.
Okay, it's hot. You want mommy to cut it? What do you think, sir?
Good. It's like a pancake.
It is pancake.
What you think, ma'am? With your flower face. Thumbs up. You want mommy to cut yours?
No.
You sure? Yes, I got cut it like that, Paris. Sure? Okay. You got it? What you think?
Good.
Oh, cool. So, that's just my little baby. Say hello. So, alright, guys. So, this is it. Look, they're almost done with their pancakes. So, I'll go and help them eat. And thank y'all for watching my channel. And hope you like this video. Press the like button and please subscribe to our channel.
Okay.
Say peace. Say bye-bye. Say see you later.
Good.